Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets and numbers. Its class name red color, yellow color, green color, black color, blue color. Kids, now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, now draw F. F for fish, F for fan. And use yellow color. The alphabets of F. G. G for God, G for grapes. Kids, again use yellow color and draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. And use green color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, again use green color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, again use green color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use black color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, again use black color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, again use black color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids, now W. W for wolf, W for watch. And use red color. X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids, now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow color, yellow color. O N E 1 2 T W 2. Kids again use yellow color and draw 3 T H R W 3. 4 F O U R 4. Kids again use yellow color and draw 5 F I V E 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6 and use black color, black color. S I X 6. 7 S E V E N 7. Kids night 8. The numbers of 8. 9. The numbers of 9. Kids last 8 or 10. And again use black color T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.